Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It's Friday, September 23rd. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Quiet trade here into the corn market as it really held its own against soybeans here today, closing only down 1/4 cent, and that actually just puts it down 1/2 cent on the week. So it really held its own against soybeans. Soybeans, the one that were drastically lower here today, closing down 21.5 cents lower on the day, 11 cents lower on the week as you started off a stronger trade on the week. But what you had this morning, no sales announcements out of USDA. You've been consistently getting those out of the bean market here, and you didn't get any today. Pair that with the fact that you're hearing huge yield numbers in these bean markets. You have a good harvest rolling in a lot of areas. So parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, western Minnesota, Illinois, and also southern Iowa have all been rolling on beans. Missouri as well, and these yields are coming in just extremely large. Even talks of 85 bushel beans in Iowa. So you've been hearing these yield reports. You heard them at first and you're kind of questioning, are they just talking about their big yields? But now they're coming out over and over and over again. And so it sounds like everything's coming in extremely strong, that you're questioning whether you'll see another yield jump out of USDA. Also, it looks like the 6 to 10 day forecast is going to take a break from the rain, below average chance for precip. That should dry some things out, especially since it's going to be just a titch warmer as well to be able to roll and harvest. So a lot of bearish news around this bean market. This weekend you're going to have another rain system moving through, and market's going to trade off those rain totals here Sunday evening. Over into the wheat market, what you had is mixed trade on the day, and then overall for the week trading anywhere from a penny to 11 cents higher, Minneapolis being the 11 cents higher. That really got some boost off a lower dollar on the week as Federal Reserve didn't increase interest rates. Over into the meat markets, mixed trade for all of the meat markets, live cattle, feeder cattle, lean hogs. Actually live cattle and feeder cattle drastically lower earlier on. We're able to rally back into the close, probably some profit taking, short covering coming into the cattle on feed cold storage there. On the week you had feeder cattle up $1.32.5, live cattle down 60 cents, and then lean hogs down $1.47.5. Outside markets started pretty calm here and then sold off drastically in both crude and Dow. Crude down over $2 at one point here today. Dow market down over 100 points. Like I said, moving forward, this trade really going to go off cold storage for and cattle on feed for the meats, and then the grains are going to look at these rain totals as another system moves through here today and tomorrow. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trade in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.